Hey, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to talk about 10 new words that you should know in 2020. These words are very interesting and they have got very good meanings. You can use these words to enhance your vocab and to enhance the language skill. So let's start with today's session. But before starting with the session, friends, I would like to request you to take pen and paper with you to write down the synonyms of these words. I'll tell you the meanings and the senses on the screen and synonyms you have to write. So let's jump in today's video. Let's take first word that's called stan. Stan means an extremely, excessively enthusiastic and devoted fan. So there's a difference between being a stan and being a fan. Stan is a person who's mad about your work, who can do anything for you. That is called stan. Whereas a fan is a person who likes your work, who follows your work, but he's not mad about your work. And you can take the synonyms of this word that's admirer or appreciator. There will be two synonyms, that's admirer and appreciator. Let's take next word that's called nomophobia. Nomophobia is a fear or worry at the idea of being without your phone or unable to use it. So nomophobia is a word which is used for the person who is scared of losing his cell phone or device. So many people suffering from nomophobia never switch off their mobile phones. They can't imagine their life without cell phones. Yes, it is necessary device nowadays, but we can't say that we cannot live without cell phones. So nomophobia is a word which is used for the person who can't imagine his life without cell phone. You can take synonyms, that's misophonia and panic. Misophonia and panic are the two synonyms of nomophobia. Let's discuss the third word that's called people kind, a gender neutral alternative to mankind. When she used the word mankind, he interrupted her. We like to say people kind, it's more inclusive. So people kind is a word which is used for both genders. It's gender neutral. So you can take synonyms of it. The synonym of people kind can be humanity or humankind. So people kind is a word which is gender bias. So you can use this word for anyone. It's not specifically for men or women. So when you say people kind, it's for all. Next is bottle episode. Bottle episode is a small episode or small play which requires less funds, less money, and which finishes off within a short span of time. An episode of a television series that confined to one setting and isn't expensive to produce. Let's take the example. The last ship got back to basics tonight by delivering a very satisfying bottle episode. So, friends, you might have heard about Amazon Prime series, and there are many Prime series and many short episodes and movies are coming nowadays, and people do like it. People do like it. They are available. They are available on the air, and you can buy them just paying minimum amount of subscription. And these movies are very short, and basically these movies are short in very small episodes, so people can watch these episodes daily. So these are called bottle episodes. So I hope you have understood the meaning of this word. This is also a nice word. Carbon sink. Carbon sink is a natural environment or forest or ocean which absorbs the carbon dioxide and makes your environment fresh and pure. So there are many forests and oceans in the world which absorbs lots of carbon dioxide and releases fresh air for the masses. Let's take the example. Healthy forests are carbon sinks, pulling in more greenhouse gases than they release during natural decay. You can write down the synonyms. That's deforest or agroforestry. Buzzy. Buzzy is very catchy word or exciting word, like new word. Something that's generate excitement and gets people talking. Let's take the example. There's always a buzzy atmosphere in the restaurant. So when you go to restaurants or pub, you can see the environment is very loud and excited and full of fun. So that's called a buzzy environment. And nowadays young crowd wants to join this kind of environments, buzzy environment. They love to go to pubs and restaurants, and they like this buzzy environment. So I hope you have got the meaning of buzzy. Next is permaculture. Permaculture is a system of growing crops, plants that causes little damage to the environment and can therefore continue for a long time. So permaculture is a kind of system of plants which plants such kind of crops which which cause very less damage or little damage to the environment, and you can continue them for a long span of time. A permaculture garden can be as small as balcony or many hectares in size. There is one more meaning of this word, that is called combination of two words. When you concatenate two words, that also sometimes called permaculture. Sober curious. Sober curious is a person who take a break from his alcohol drinking routine and experimenting himself for a period of not drinking alcohol. So you can take example. Sober curious culture encourages a sober lifestyle. Yes, we should encourage this culture, and nowadays young crowd wants to be sober curious. They don't want to involve themselves in drinking wine and intoxicant things. So it's this culture is really flourishing in the society nowadays. So the meaning of sober curious is so experimenting with a period of not drinking alcohol. We can take synonyms of this word, that's called choosing not to drink or non-drinkers. Hellacious. Hellacious is a word which is used for some kind of bad experience due to traffic or weather. The hellacious heat was more than we could bear. So you can take synonyms, that's called explosive or exceptionally powerful. So hellacious is a word which is used for something very bad due to weather or traffic which we cannot bear or which we cannot face. Last word is climate emergency. Climate emergency nowadays has got lots of involvement in our culture. Let's discuss this word first. Defined as a situation in which urgent action is required to reduce or halt climate change. Oxford's data showed that the use of climate emergency increased 100-fold over the course of the year. So climate emergency is a situation or a condition where urgent action is required to reduce or halt climate change. You have already seen recently, due to novel COVID-19, we got packed in our homes in March in lockdown. That's called climate emergency, because this COVID-19 virus involved into the environment and it was affecting many people. It was affecting many people very easily just due to touch and coming to the contact. So there were many instructions given by the government to save save us from this virus. We have to keep social distancing, wear mask when we expose ourselves in public areas. So there are many instructions were launched by the government. So that was a kind of climate emergency. So I hope you have understood the meaning of climate emergency. You can take the synonym of this word, that's global warming or some kind of climate change which affect people very fast. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself and stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye bye. And do subscribe my Easy English channel to get latest videos on your screen, and don't forget to press the bell icon next to it to get latest notifications. So have a nice day friends. Bye bye.